Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by unpacking the kit and confirming all parts: substrate block, filter bag, and instructions. Once done, set a clean workspace about 1 m2 and wash and disinfect your hands and surfaces to reduce contamination. Next, follow the kit cut location precisely. Cut the seal or open the bag to the size indicated, usually exposing substrate 1–2 inches. Do this confidently. Correct exposure controls humidity and air exchange, which drive pinning rather than overexposure that dries the block. You now manage the microclimate. Maintain temperature between 18–24 degrees C and provide indirect light for roughly 12 hours each day so mushrooms orient correctly. Once done, mist the exposed substrate 2–3 times daily with clean water. Avoid drenching. After misting, fan gently for 1 to 2 minutes to introduce fresh air and prevent CO2 buildup, which causes long stems. Make sure humidity stays high, around 85–95%, by using a humidity tent, spray bottle, or tray of water beneath the kit. You finish by harvesting at the right moment. When caps flatten but before heavy spore release, twist and pull gently at the base to avoid substrate damage. Once done, store your mushrooms in a paper bag in the fridge and use within about 7 days. If growth stalls or smells sour, inspect for contamination. White mycelium is okay, but green or black mold means you should isolate and discard the kit to protect other projects. Keep detailed notes for next flush adjustments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.